Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 310. What happens when a trial expires? In our last tip, I talked about why you need to convert your site to production, even in sandbox environments. In this tip, we'll look at what happens if you don't, and then your trial expires. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. All Power Pages sites start off as trials and must be converted to a production site to avoid them being removed. The expiration date depends on whether the Dataverse environment itself is a trial, in which case the site expires after 30 days, or if it is a sandbox or production environment, in which case you get 90 days. Did you lose track of time and accidentally forget to convert a Power Pages site to production before it expired? Don't panic. Most of your work is easy to restore. First, if you're still within 7 days of the expiration date, your site isn't deleted, it's just suspended. That means with a few simple clicks, you can get it back up and running exactly how it was before it expired. If you're more than 7 days since it expired, it gets a bit trickier, but all is not lost. At this point, Microsoft has deleted the Azure web app that hosts your website, but they never touch the data that resides in your Dataverse environment. Just go to make.powerpages.microsoft.com and find your site in the Inactive Sites area and reactivate it. You'll need to redo any of the config you've done within the Power Platform Admin Center, like enabling CDN, custom domains, etc., but the core functionality of your site should still be there. Microsoft never removes the Dataverse solutions or data associated with your Power Pages site, even when trials expire or when you delete the site. So rest assured that most of your work is not lost if a trial expires. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 310 on what happens when a trial expires useful.